Hi everybody, Crafting Journey here. Rebecca, got another diamond painting for you from Treasure Studios Arts. No, we do not have the new boxes yet, but welcome to my premiere. This painting will be available on the site following this premiere. Guys, this is another Anthony Christou. You're gonna love it. He does a lot of fantasy art. Three guesses what the theme is, you know me. Let's talk about the toolkit first. Here we go. Always love, love, love the toolkit. It's in this beautiful pink organza branded bags, Treasure Studios Arts. So we can just open it up. It's all easier said than done, right? Because they tie it. Untie it. There we go. I do like to save these bags. When I have a drill spill on the floor, after I vacuum it up, I'll put them in this bag and then I'll wash them. And then just leave them in the bag in case I need them at a later date. So we got a big chunk of wax tray with the funnel. We have the pin with a 7-placer, I believe. Yep. And we have my favorite pink tweezers. Now these are the tweezers that are blunt on the end. Really great for picking off drills when you happen to have lost your train of thought and put down the wrong drills. Yeah, never happens to me. There we go. And we just dropped an additional tip that comes with it. A little replacer. Okay, let's put it all away. Put it all away. Okay, so now let's take a look at the painting. So as you can see, although it is not the branded box, it did come to me in very good condition. It was sent via DHL, so I don't know if that made the difference, but I'm very happy. Just the end, which is strange because the box is perfect, but the end seems to be crushed a little bit, but doesn't really make a difference. It's at the end. It's not part of the painting, so the painting itself is perfect. Let's see. So look, painting is branded Treasure Studios Art. Take off the wrapper. I'm going to take it off camera, unroll it, let it relax a little bit. Here are the drills. Listen, if you guys like to work from bags, you are ready to go. Look at the pink. I don't work from bags. There, that looks like the 310 there. And I tell you why, because I'll spill them, no doubt. Now, you might be not quite as clumsy as I, and if that's the case, good. So here's the inventory sheet. And I'm not going to show you the painting yet, but on the inventory sheet, there's the schematic. You can use this, run this through your Xyron sticker maker and make stickers out of it to put on your storage containers. But I like these symbols. There we go. All right, let's look at the painting. And it's a big one. It's a big one. Oh my gosh, you can't even tell what it is, can you? Wow. It is the Mad Hatter. This is, I'm looking for, well, we can show you the image now. Here is the image. There's the Mad Hatter with the teapot, Alice in Wonderland. There's the Cheshire Cat off to the side. This is 55 by 80, and I have ordered rounds by Anthony Christou. Look at this. Look, okay, I am gonna take you off of the tripod and we're gonna go down to look at the painting. Right, okay, we are looking at the painting now. You see his hat, he's got that card up there that says 10-6. Those crazy looking eyes and teeth. This is a little dark, guys. You know, as far as Alice in Wonderland goes, you know, I do love the colors. This is going to be a very beautiful painting. Look at the little cupcake here, the teapot. There's Alice. There's the Cheshire Cat sitting on the mushroom. Yeah, this is gonna go really nicely in my Alice in Wonderland collection. Look at all the colors in his hair. Anthony Christou likes to do that kind of rainbow effect in his paintings, and he's certainly done it there in the Mad Hatter's hair. I like his tie, his bow tie. I like that Alice is like miniature there. It's very, very cute. So this has 39 colors, and there again is the schematic. Let me show you the drill field. Look at the pink. Oh yeah, there's Alice. So really good, really clear drill field. I will now show you through a collage the drills. So there are the drills, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please go to Treasure Studios Arts. The link is down in the description. Follow the link, go to the site, use my code Rebecca15 for a discount, 15% off of a purchase of $40 or more. This painting should be on sale now under Anthony Christou. Guys, have a great evening, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.